Day 13 on the AT. Sure, I'll pack out your shit. Just leave it on the trail for me. Oh, nothing like 2,500 feet first thing in the morning. Up we go. And there's the top of Snowbird Mountain. Let's see if there's a view. Yeah, there's no view. Don't always climb 2,500 feet and find anything. In fact, that rarely happens out here. But you know what? At least I got myself to pat myself on the back for that one. Good job, Sling. Here we are at Deep Gap. Let's keep pushing. We're at Brown Gap. I'm gonna try to get to Max Patch and take a break up there and see what it's all about. Fuck. Give me a nice view though. Open the Max Patch. This is one of the coolest places on the AT so far. Now I'm headed down off of Max Patch. It's a nice area to rest up on top. A giant green patch. You can set up your tent. I got about 4 miles, go down 1,100 feet. There's a nice view of Max Patch from where I'm at right now. Lemon Gap. That's what a tree does when it falls in the woods. We got the waterfall in the background. And I'll set up right here. Get access to water right here. Little fire pit I'm not going to use, and then